This podcast is about entrepreneurship, spirituality, and self-care. My name is Lourdes, and I am the host of the show. Thank you for listening today. Hi, and welcome back to the 8th Level Podcast. And today we are diving into the fascinating world of sound, vibration, and spiritual healing. Have you ever noticed how some music just makes you feel aligned, calm, or even uplifted? I talked about how music helps calm me, it helps with anxiety, and it soothes my soul. And if you want to listen to that episode, please check out episode number 168, where I talk about music and how it affects our soul and helps calm us down. Anyways, in today's episode, we're going to talk about 432 hertz, 432 hertz. It is a frequency known for its spiritual healing and grounding properties. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and share ways you can bring it into your daily life. So 432 hertz is a tuning frequency, and it's slightly lower than the standard 440 hertz tuning used in most modern music. Many spiritual practitioners, sound healers, and musicians believe 432 hertz resonates with the natural vibration of the universe and the earth. It's thought to promote relaxation, harmony, and a sense of spiritual connection. And did you know that listening to music tuned to 432 hertz can help you feel calmer, reduce stress, and even open up your intuition? Some scientists and sound therapists say it's closer to the frequency of our natural heartbeats and the rhythm of nature. So what happens when you listen to 432 hertz and how it helps you with spirituality? Well, it can help promote sleep, deep relaxation, and stress relief. It can also enhance meditation, prayer, or spiritual practice. It can also create a sense of inner harmony and alignment with your higher self. And it helps you feel more connected to the earth and nature. Now, many people report feelings of being lighter, more centered, and even inspired after listening to 432 hertz music for just a few minutes a day. It's a simple yet powerful tool for spiritual and emotional well-being. Okay, so you're probably wondering, where the heck am I going to find this music that's attuned to 432 hertz? Okay, one of them is YouTube. YouTube has a ton of 432 hertz versions of popular songs or classical pieces. Just put in a search 432 hertz music or 432 hertz meditation, and I'm sure you'll find many. You can also use music streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music, and they have playlists listed as 432 hertz or healing frequencies. You can even retune some songs using apps or software to 432 hertz if you like a specific track. Some examples of 432 hertz music includes classicals like Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, Chopin's Nocturnes. Some versions are tuned to 432 hertz online. How about New Age music? Artists like Deva Premal, Liquid Mind and Meditative Mind often create tracks in 432 hertz. Modern relaxing music. You'll find versions of popular songs converted to 432 hertz for meditation, yoga, or sleep. So let's look at some ways on how you can incorporate 432 hertz in your daily routine. How about in the morning when you meditate or are journaling? Play it softly in the background to set your intention. Or when you're doing yoga or stretching, allow the sound aligned with your mind and body. How about relaxing before bed? Use it to ease tension and help your mind transition to sleep. You know, even doing it for 5 to 10 minutes a day of intentional listening can make a noticeable difference in your energy and in your mood. I hope to encourage you to experiment with the 432 hertz sound and pay attention. See how your body feels and how your mind responds. And also let it become a part of your self care routine. All right. And if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe to my podcast, Eighth Level Podcast, on Spotify. I'm on YouTube. You can find me on Apple or your favorite apps. You can listen to it on Amazon Music, wherever you listen to your podcasts. Share it with a friend who loves meditation, spiritual growth, or simply wants more calm in their life. Thanks for listening. Stay grounded, stay inspired, and let the vibrations of the universe guide you. Bye for now. I hope that you enjoyed this podcast, and please share this episode with your friends. Please subscribe, rate, and review this episode. Thanks for listening.